Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This vending machine video, and I see a lot of green cars, green color, Alfa Romeo, Mazda, Repu, two times. The Honda City, behind is the white Honda N600, which I like, but I have a lot of this Honda City already, so I will not buy. Then we have the Lucid Air, another green Mazda Repu, Tune GTI, the blue Ford Sierra, the green Volvo, which I already have and I may buy again, Jaguar, another Alfa Romeo, snowmobile, a green Volkswagen Beetle, another blue Ford Sierra, the what is it called, lowrider, Ford Mustang, this one again, fantasy casting, Batmobile, the new Corvette, this one with the small wheels, Dodge Ram, Bel Air, another Alfa Romeo. What I want to buy is this red Mercedes. And maybe the green Volvo I already have. I keep one in the cart and I open one. So a moment please, I need two hands. So these two cars is what I have bought. Mercedes C63 Coupe Black Series and the green Volvo Estate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.